NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? She got home cooked meals, turn up the heat. A little bit of dessert, it won't hurt. Let's get the cooking with Nana, the expert.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pizza soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of chicken broth, 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 6 ounces of tomato paste, 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 cup of pepperoni, and you want to cut them into fourths, 1/2 onion diced, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese shredded, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. To a large pot or Dutch oven, you want to add your 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let that come to temperature. You want to add in your onion, and your red bell pepper. You're going to let that saute for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add in your minced garlic and saute for 1 minute. You can add in your ground beef. We're just going to break down our ground beef and make sure it's well combined with our garlic, red pepper, and onion. We're going to let it continue to cook until it's all brown. Once the ground beef is cooked thoroughly, you want to drain it of all excess grease. You want to add in your garlic powder, your Italian seasoning, onion powder, your sugar, and also your black pepper. You want to mix everything until it's nicely combined. I'm going to add in our crushed tomatoes, our tomato paste, also our chicken broth. We're going to mix everything until it's well combined. You want to have your heat on medium. You want to add in your pepperoni. Mix it till it's well combined, and we're going to wait for it to come to a simmer. While we're waiting for it to come to a simmer, you can go ahead and give it a taste. If you want to add any salt to it or anything else that you would like, you can do it now. Okay guys, now you want to give it a stir. You want to lower your heat to medium-low, and we're going to let it continue to simmer for 20 minutes. And guys, if you want a soupier pizza soup, you want to go ahead and cover it. If you want it to thicken, leave it uncovered. And you want to stir occasionally. As you can see, guys, this is thickening up. Okay, guys, our soup is now done. Okay, guys, as you can see, our pizza soup is nice and meaty. It has a lot of ground beef and pepperoni. So what I'm going to do now is take some cheese and place it over top. And I'm going to add some oregano. You don't have to. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?